Good morning to all of you. I think for all of us present here, I think computers have inspired us, challenged us, and it's also a passion for all of us here. And I think this conference gives us an opportunity to come out of our virtual work worlds and come face to face with physical reality. I think this conference has given us an opportunity to put faces to names whom perhaps we have only met in the virtual world. ACM and ABI have been working together worldwide, and I congratulate the organization committee of Grace Hopper for the excellent organization and the enthusiastic support which they have been getting from all the volunteers. So I'm delighted to be present here, and I would say that we will continue to be working together more in the future. Now, ACMW mission is to support, celebrate, and advocate internationally for the full engagement of women in all aspects of the computing field. I think we've had a long and successful collaborations with ABI, and because our objectives are substantially been the same, and I think ABI also encourages and recognizes women professionals and to increase, to quote, the positive impact of women on all aspects of computing. Now, ACMW was actually the first initiative. I think I must share an interesting fact with you. The first initiative happened in December 2011, and that was the time of the Grace Hopper conference, the second conference. And after the launch, we have been now having an executive committee with members from both the academic and the industry. And we've started our activities. And one of the main activities which I would like to tell you is about the ACM annual event, which happens this time in January in Chennai. And the venue is IIT Madras. It's from January 23rd to 25th. So I invite all of you to come for this meeting. And for the first time, it's a 3-day event. The first day is for PhD scholars, and we are having some high-profile tutorials. So it would be for aspiring PhD scholars who are looking for areas to work in, and PhD scholars who've just got started and perhaps they could get some inputs. The second day, for the first time, we are having an ACMW event. So, and the third day is the annual event, and we have speakers from ACM. We have, of course, our ACM president, Vince Cerf, who's coming for the meeting. And as we all know, he is the father of TCP/IP. I'm sure many of you would like to see him. And please do come for this event, and we extend a very warm welcome to you. Actually, as I said, to come back to the interesting fact, today it's a full circle. We have ACM and co-sponsoring this event or co-presenting this event. And Telly just announced the formation of ABI India Council. So I think this explains the link between ABI and ACM, I think, very closely. And PJN was mentioning about STEM, and I think we are in the dawn of a new era. And I think this conference has a lot to offer in terms of addressing the growth and support of women, and also lobbying for, I think, safe and congenial workplaces. But I think our job is not done. We still have a long way to go. It is only when women professionals assume leadership. I think we should head different technical startups, and we should spearhead the direction of technological growth. I think only then we can say our quest is achieved. I think we still have a long way to go, and I know I can see from the faces that there is a lot of passion and initiative to take this forward. So ACMW, ACM, and I'm sure ABI, all of us are looking forward to you to volunteer to take all this forward. So I would just like to conclude my speech with just mentioning about the MentorNet. So ACM partners with the MentorNet. So this is to promote e-mentoring relationship between students and professionals. So I can see there is a lot of professionals here and many students also. So students can gain invaluable career advice, encouragement, and again also for higher education, because that is something which we should also have to advocate for women. And you can get support and encouragement from the professionals. So ACM is trying to bring in a lot of mentors from India, and we hope to expand this chain. Please look up our website, India as well as ACM, for more information. And finally, just to let you know, we have a stall in this conference. You're most welcome, and we'll provide you with any details we have, and we are very happy to receive any suggestions from you. Thank you very much. Have a very fruitful session.
Sure.